First tonight, Decision 2023. Tomorrow is the spring primary, which will determine who goes on to the April election here in Wisconsin.
There is a range of local and state races on the ballot. In Milwaukee, there are 3 common council seats up for grabs. And at the top of the ticket is the state Supreme Court race, with these 4 candidates vying to be the final 2 in April. The winner will shape the ideological balance of the state's highest court.
Ben Jordan going in depth tonight on the key issues that could be decided based on the outcome of this election.
Liberal or conservative?
Everything's on the line on this race.
One of these 4 candidates will determine the majority in the state's highest court. Retired Justice Janine Geske says the stakes couldn't be higher.
How would you describe the importance of this election?
Well, I think it's probably the most important election, at least in my lifetime, for members of the Supreme Court.
Retired Justice Geske says she was considered the swing vote when she served on the Wisconsin Supreme Court in the 1990s. This time around, a 4-3 ideological lean is inevitable.
Although this is a nonpartisan race, some may argue that state Supreme Courts have become more partisan than ever before.
There's no question they have. Ours has become incredibly impartisan.
The race has garnered national attention because the winner could hold the key to several pivotal votes on some of the state's most important topics. Geske says arguably the biggest is the battle over abortion rights, particularly whether Wisconsin's 1849 statute banning all abortions unless it's to save the mother's life is enforceable.
Clearly, the candidates have, particularly Janet Protasewicz, has put abortion into many of her ads. It is clear that that's going to be an issue for the courts. The Attorney General is filing a lawsuit based on the old statute, and something is going to go to the court.
Geske says 2 other issues are front and center in this election as well. The future of voting rights ahead of the 2024 presidential election and potentially revisiting the redistricting of legislative maps if the court leans liberal for the first time in 15 years.
We've seen ballot drop boxes come and go.
Right.
What else could be on the line here?
Well, it's access to voting. Who gets to vote? Certainly the hours.
Marquette Law School poll director Charles Franklin says those 3 issues are key reasons as to why this will likely be the most expensive Wisconsin Supreme Court race in state history. $7 million has already been spent on advertising.
What would your message be to voters who typically don't come out in off-year elections?
In recent years in the primary, the vote we're having now, have seen turnout of just about 15 or 16% of voting age population. That's quite low. And so in a low turnout race like this one, in a sense, it means that every vote counts even more.
Charles says this is the first Wisconsin Supreme Court race in more than 20 years where there are 2 liberal and 2 conservative candidates on the ballot, giving this primary election even more importance. Reporting at Marquette Law School, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.
So Charles and I sat down to speak with each of the 4 state Supreme Court candidates. You can find their interviews and more election coverage by going to tmj4.com/decision2023.